Can a global sporting event unite the world when there are wars going on, visa issues going on, and political tensions going on? And how okay is it to conduct a sport event like this amid wars? So, in today's editorial, we're going to talk about FIFA World Cup. So, come, let's have a look. Now, the FIFA World Cup is often called the biggest celebration of global unity, but the upcoming 2026 FIFA World Cup is raising some important questions. Let us talk about the background. The 2026 FIFA World Cup will be the largest ever. It will have 48 teams instead of 32 teams and 104 matches, and it is jointly hosted by the United States, Canada and Mexico. Top stars like Lionel Messi, Cristiano Ronaldo, Neymar and Mbappe are expected to attract huge attention. Now, the World Cup is not just about football, it is also meant for promoting friendship, cultural exchange and global unity. Now, what exactly is the concern? The article argues that the United States is creating problems that go against the spirit of the World Cup. Number one, the visa entry issues. So, Somali referee Omar Artan, one of Africa's top referees, was reportedly denied the entry. Now, these are reports of journalists and support staff facing visa difficulties also. Now, this creates concern about whether all participants are being treated fairly. Then there are geopolitical tensions going on due to tensions between the US, Iran and the Iranian team may face travel complications. Long distance travel and logistical challenges could affect the preparation and performance. Third, high cost for fans. Now, expensive tickets, costly visa procedures, limited public transport options. These factors may prevent many ordinary fans from attending. Lastly, global energy and conflict concerns. See, the tournament comes at a time when wars and geopolitical conflicts are affecting fuel supplies and energy prices. Large-scale international travel may become more expensive and difficult. Now, there are multiple dimensions to it. First is the sports dimension. Fair participation is essential for credibility of international sports. Visa barriers can undermine the idea of equal opportunity. Then there is a political dimension also. Sports and politics often intersect. Diplomatic tensions can affect athletes, officials and fans. Then there is an economic dimension also. High cost may reduce accessibility. Tourism and local businesses may benefit, but ordinary fans may struggle. Lastly, there is a social dimension. Global sporting events help people from different cultures interact. Restrictions and barriers weaken this unifying role. And now, this is highly relevant for GS Paper 2, International Relations, Sports Diplomacy, Global Governance, and GS Paper 3, Economic Impact of Mega Sporting Events and Tourism and Infrastructure. And that is it for today. Thank you for watching.